Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the whist toy. First, make sure you have your whist toy ready, along with a designated target area. It's important to have at least 10 feet of clear space around you to play safely and effectively. Begin by standing approximately 5 feet away from your target. This initial distance helps you get a feel for the toy's trajectory and control. Now let's master the basic throw. Hold the whist toy firmly but comfortably in your dominant hand, ensuring a good grip. Focus your gaze on the very center of your target, visualizing where you want the toy to land. Then, use a smooth, gentle underhand toss motion, releasing the toy as your arm swings forward. Practice this motion to develop consistency and accuracy. Understanding the scoring is key to the game. If your whist toy makes a direct hit on the target, you earn 1 full point. Should the toy land within 1 foot of the target, you still earn half a point for your effort. The game is played over 5 rounds, with each player taking a turn in every round. The player with the highest total score after 5 rounds wins. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced techniques. Challenge yourself by increasing your throwing distance to 10 feet, requiring more precision and power. For an even greater test, try playing a round using only your non-dominant hand. You can also make the game harder by creating smaller, more difficult targets. These variations keep the game exciting and improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.